So this is lecture 36 according to your lesson plan, and the topic is CDMA standards. Okay, so in CDMA standards we are first one is IS 95, and next one is the CDMA 2000. Okay, so two. Okay, in CDMA 2000 we will see next lecture, but in this lecture we are going to discuss about this CDMA. So this standard IS 95 basically describes system. Okay, so this IS 95 describe a code done multiple act, that is CDMA system. The audio band, the audio band is multiplied by high spreading signal. Okay, band is audio band is multiplied with this high rate spreading signal, and this based on the PN sequence. Okay, because we had already discussion on this CDMA technology. CDMA. So this spreading signal is formed from a pseudo noise sequence. And this PN sequence is then multiplied Walsh code maximum to the other codes in use Okay, so we use the Walsh code over here for increasing the orthogonal to reduce the interference. Okay, so that the one code is another code. Okay. Now, if I talk about this further over here, the this CDMA, this is has a benefit to the cellular system. Okay, what soft handoff. Okay, so we have two types of handoff. That is, one is helpful in the case of this soft handoff. So how this helpful? So since every band, the only difference between user channels is the spreading code sequence. Okay, obviously for different spreading code sequence. Therefore, there is no jump from one frequency to the another frequency call. Okay, the mobile terminal receive the same signal in one cell as it does in the no harsh transition from one receiving mode to the another. Two or receive the signal of a particular user because they all use the same channel. Moreover, two additionally transmit to the same user terminal. The mobile, that is rake receiver, sometimes this rake receiver means we are talking about the at the receiver end. So the mobile receiver can resolve the two signals. Okay, the feature is called the soft handoff. Okay, so we are doing or we are separating two signals with the help of this orthogonality. Okay, soft combination, multipath toleration. Okay, multipath, you know, multipath fading, all of you know. So that power is more in this case. Okay, no channel equalization needed. So at the receiver end, you okay, and privacy obviously is better in the case of CDMA because every time we PN sequence and multiplying with the help of Walsh code. Okay, so we are increasing the orthogonality, means different codes. So we are increasing the your security over here. Talk about the important points. So in CDMA IS-95, we have two links, that is forward link and the forward link की अगर हम बात करें, that is base station to the mobile station, and reverse link is mobile station to the sorry forward link. The chip rate is 1.2288. 64 volts head mode. Transmit bandwidth is 1.25 megahertz with rate 1 by 2 and pilot tone for synchronization. And at the receiver side, convolution coding and M-array orthogonal modulation techniques. Now, forward channel and this reverse channel. Okay, so the frequency. Okay, write down over here. The forward channels are between 869 megahertz, 894 megahertz. While the if I talk about the reverse channel, so 824 megahertz and 9 megahertz. So this is the range of this for this CDMA IS-95. Now draw this forward CDMA channel. So I'm just drawing over here. Convolution, encoder, then data rate, sorry, not data rate, data repeater, then block interleaver, block interleaver, we are using summation. Here is multiplexer, power bit locate. You can go through the your also diagram is available in your book Rappaport also. Long code generator, and here you are using the decimator. Something else divided by 64. And after that this multiplexer sorry, here you are multiplying with the okay, and that is the important part of for this CDM. Walls code generator. Here you are multiplying with the pilot sequence. That is the 1.2 megahertz. And here you are using the baseband filter. Filter, baseband filter, here phase cos omega ct, here phase is minus sine omega ct, then after that you are doing the summation both the signal and giving in a okay. So just draw the your dimension also. And here you are using the convolution encoder. Rate is 9.6, 4.8, 2.4, 1 kbps. Different. Okay. And at the multiplexer, your power control bit. So this is your forward CDMA channel. Okay, this is your CDMA channel. Okay, at the receiver you will get the your reverse CDMA channel. Okay, so same architecture. Okay, but obviously here you are using encoder. At the receiver side you have to use the decoder. Okay, with the some okay, at that time we are using with long code generator also at the receiver side. Okay, so this is idea about your CDMA, this IS9.